earlier, you mentioned that if it wasn't on the calendar, it didn't exist. And then I mentioned I have these index cards, right? And one of my favorite things are actually Post-it notes, and I will do one individual thing per Post-it note.
I love your Post-it notes, by the way. I love it.
Oh, they're chaotic. I know.
I started using them regularly since I saw him do it.
And they're color-coded.
And I know they're color-coded. I didn't even have to ask. I knew they were color-coded just looking at them because I see it.
So you're doing the Google Docs version of what she's doing, but in Post-it notes.
And the reason I do it in Post-it notes is because I get the tactile satisfaction of when it's done. I take it off, I crumple it up, and I throw it away. And to me, that's like the physical representation of that is now done. And
and the dopamine from that, too.
It's a dopamine hit. That's what it is. Yeah. It's like this, I finally get it done. Like everything from like big projects to like go get the mail.
That's why I use a to-do list, because I love checking it off. If I did something that wasn't on my to-do list that I just like remembered I had to do, I will write it on my to-do list just to cross it off.
I've done that.
Like shower, shave,
done.
Well, it feels so good.
I mean, maybe not shower, shave. But
okay, my to-do list is thick with needless things.
If it works for you. That's the important thing. Find what works for you.
'Cause we're making